Yo, what go on? Yeah man, we're about again. And first things first, let me just get this out of the way. Last time you wanna see me tell you say me I got a heart week go record one video. Me got a heart week, but me never record no video.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
I'm sorry, me never mean it. John knows me never mean it. God knows me never mean it. Will I be going back? Yes. Will I be making promises to record the next video?
That now go happen.
Might be not, because like as one can tell, I'm not the best when it comes on the promises, shit like that. This good now? This good for me? Let's move up a chair. Wait. Alright, boom. So, like me say, me, I'm not the greatest, I promises, you know what I'm saying? So, I'll go back and get one video. But, in the meantime, I'm back with a new video. No. This video, but now like the idea from this, me just see it on TikTok with the little computer shit. Yeah, you read it like, yeah, with the little computer shit I read it, I talk about Hayai.
That's some fuck with Steven.
Hayai, because I know they can't pronounce certain things. So me decide to me I read it myself and take screenshots and send it to you. These are some Reddit stories. Yes, me say it. Reddit stories that make you say
What the fuck?
exactly. So, Izine, I'm Mr. Marbanga. This is YouTube, and you're bored. Okay, let's get into the video. So, first story is one time about a month ago, I was sitting at the park and I was waiting for the bus to come. Oh shit! It didn't say that. It didn't say that. Yeah, man, make you read it on there. Me. One time about a month ago, I was at the park and I was waiting for the bus, and this car pulls up into a parking spot next to me, and it's parked very crookedly. Very sorry to fuck, because if you can't park or one bus back forward, you're probably not have a license, you see me and say. But that's besides the point. Boom. I didn't really notice it at first. A person waits in the car for about 15 minutes. And the man in my wait pan might be our woman, one or the other. Boom. Then this woman about 40 or 50 years old come out of the car, I clutch her back across her chest and I burn a cigarette. Nastiness, jankro. Yo, me like come start read the story in English and then switch over and start reading in a pattern. You know, so me a general for that though.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Not really, but me enjoy it. And after that, I walk over to a line of tree dividing the park from a neighborhood, a neighbor homes, and pulls out a pair of binoculars. Me know it's a binoculars. And Lee and stares at this house. I watch her for about 10 minutes and she nah move. So like, woman, you know think say if you go turn outside the man house, you can at least stay out there and start play some song. Like, hold on. You know feel like you can go to the man yard and instead I sit over there with binocular, I look so. You can at least go out there and play something like this maybe. But no, you want to sit down across the street like a waste girl just a peep through the dog window. I want to tell you, mama. Anyways, back to the story. So my boss forward, but me not get panic because this was as suspicious get. So I call Babylon and give them a description of the car and the girl and what she had do. Then boom, so police deploy officer to the park, you see me? As me I sit down upon the bed. Why? As me I use the bench as it's meant to be used. Watching from across the parking lot. Police forward and just dead for a while I go easy. So boops now me get a call from the officer and he say, yeah man, them get called about the woman here before. Apparently the woman living in the house, so she a look upon her, she a peep through because she think people are spy upon her. TL or what that, anyways, boom, woman spies. Wait, what? Anyways. So, woman spies on her own house because she thinks people are spying on her house. What? So you are trying to tell me, say, you feel like people outside your house, say, go outside of your house, go look upon the people and go look upon your house. But in reality, you really look upon your house? So So I don't know she did go like you see me get out of that, but congrats, I guess. Yeah, start spy on your house. I don't know if you tell your mama. I don't know if you tell her. Next story right after that, I go see how this go. I found a wheelbarrow of sand dumped against my basement window. This happened about a month ago. About 2 years ago, the same thing happened to a different basement window. Yo, mama said a month ago a dog dump half a barrel. You know, like a wheelbarrow something them. If you're a countryman and you watch people are below us that know what go on, then they push sand in there, and they have one wheel, and they have one barrow, and they call one wheelbarrow. You know what I talk about, don't? Yeah, man. She found half a sand of that. Wait. Half a wheelbarrow of sand. You have to sing with me. Me done today. Dumped against your basement window, dog. That did somebody find, you see me? But 2 years ago, she find that up against my next basement window. But like, the one where she find there until like a month ago. Pum pum, she have a good pum pum. Let me say she have. Dog, it's a sign, dog. It's a sign. Cause guess what mama probably have. What? Hey, can't never stop. No, copyright. Why would somebody do that? I live in the middle of nowhere. Waste part and get the sun. There's no way the animal or the wind and my neighbors haven't changed those two. Well, in those two events. John. Oh, my neighbors have changed in between those two events. John. So what if it wasn't any of those? The pile was no way helpful, but it couldn't be vandalism either. It was just a pile of sand. John. Cause I know somebody in the morning and I said, yeah man, and I must say anybody him do it cause, and then you just said that a while ago and you just fuck up my head now, dog. John. It was just a pile of sand. And someone had spear sand. I don't know how you have spear sand. They needed to dump. Why they pick my window of all places, and they really had to go out of the way to dump it right there instead of somewhere else. And why do it twice on two different windows? And we have no other explanation than what the serious fire truck. Edit. And then there was when I was a kid and somebody put a very large cooked roast ham in the mailbox and the mail never get picked up for 2 days, but it was still delivered. What? The mail just got shoved there on top next to the rotten ham to the door. Couldn't shove. This is in the summer too. Soggy meat juice mail with maggots. Wow. And because it's a mailbox attached to the pole stuck in the ground, you can't just upend it or empty it out. You have to shove there. Ew. Past the rotten ham, nothing to grab hold of otherwise. Right to the back of the mailbox. Didn't help. I tried garden tools at first, and they only end up taking it right to the back. I think eyes widening. Ew. And then there's the angle, which results in putting your face into the mailbox while trying to avoid cars behind you 3 feet away. Nasty. That is actually nasty. But with that last story being read and my laptop ringing, that is the end of the video. You know what I say? If you like what you see today, make sure you say like, comment and subscribe, as me and say, and tell me for one more of them, because like them are kind of funny and focusing me, and them are kind of bust the brain a little bit. Me I go read some to my cousin, dog, granny, uncle. Yeah man, you seen puppy them before bedtime. And speaking of cousin, dog, auntie, uncle, you see me, you should subscribe and tell those people to subscribe. Share this video with people, please. Just show me say me I do good, no, please, no, dog. Please, me I beg you, brother. Just send the video, no, dog, and stop moving like that, dog. Why you moving like that, man? Come on, man. Send the video, man. But anyways, with that being said, I'm me that, and I'm a full marganist. I don't, you see me?